Hello kids, welcome back to challenge today coloring ABC. Its color name sky blue color, black color, vermilion color, chrome yellow color, dark green color, light green color, brown color, lemon yellow color, red color, dark blue color. Kids, now we coloring ABC. Big ABC and small ABC. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple. A for apple and use sky blue color. Small A. Small A. Kids, Nidra B. B for ball. The alphabets of B and use vermilion color. Small B. Kids, Nidra C. C for cat. The alphabets of C and use black color. The alphabets of C. C. C for cat. Kids, Nidra D. D for dog. The alphabets of D and use chrome yellow color. The alphabets of D. D. Small d. D for dog. Kids, Nidra E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E and use green color. The alphabets of E. Small e. The alphabets of small e. Small e. Kids, Nidra F. F for fish. The alphabets of F and use light green color. Light green color. F. Small f. Kids, Nidra G. G for God. The alphabets of G and use brown color. Brown color. G. Small g. Small g. Kids, Nidra H. H for hand. The alphabets of H and use red color. The alphabets of H. Small h. H for hand. Kids, Nidra I. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I and use yellow color. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Small I. The alphabets of I. Kids, Nidra J. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J and use blue color. Blue color. Small j. The alphabets of J. J for jackfruit. Kids, today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e. F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit. Small f, small g, small h, small I, small j. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.